Okay, it's a beautiful day and we are at the summit of Ramdev Betta, rappelling around 60 meters down. So we have anchored and Avinash will be telling the technicalities of the anchoring which we have done here. So up to Avinash.
So hi, we'll be rappelling here today. The rock face is about 60 meters high, approximately that's our calculation. And we are using 200-meter ropes for this setup and 2 more ropes for anchoring. So we'll be following a 2-point anchoring system, and we'll be sticking to Serene anchoring system standards, which is internationally followed. So this here is our first anchor, which is a solid boulder here, which is bomb proof literally. So we're using a bowline knot for anchor, which is a universal knot and used everywhere for anchoring. And we have backed it up with safety knots. Again, this is one anchor, and for the backup, because it's a 2-point anchor, we've used another rocks. So we've taken the rope around this boulder, tied a bowline, backed it up with 2 safety knots, as you can see. So we have the rope tied to 2 solid anchors. Now these 2 ropes will be brought onto a single master point. So what you see here is the master point. So we've put figure of 8s on the individual ropes and backed it up with safety knots, and we've clipped both the ropes with big carabiners. So when we load this setup, we can see that both the ropes are equally tensed. So this is a equalized anchor system, a 2-point equalized anchor system, which is very robust and strong, and we can trust this a lot. And what you see here is the wide rope, 10 mm static rope that we are using for rappelling. It's 100 meter long, so it has gone all the way down the cliff, and there's a sufficient landing surface below, and there is still about 20-30 meters of rope left at the bottom. And we'll also be using belay for this rappelling, 2B, which is very important for safety. So again, the belay anchor is done separately. We use the separate rope again and use the bowline again on the same anchor boulder and backed up with safety knots, and it is brought onto a point here where we've used a carabiner put into a figure of 8 again, and the belay rope will be passing through this and will be hooked onto the person who's rappelling down. Another major important aspect is that the belayer himself has to be self-anchored. So we have taken that aspect also into account. So right now I'll be belaying Sham, who's going to rappel next. So I'm all decked up. I'm wearing my harness. Backup. So the backup anchor is again a separate rope, which has been tied up to the boulder with a bowline again, which is like the universal knot and used for anchoring worldwide. So again, I'll be backing up myself with this figure of 8 device. Carabiner device and a figure of 8 at the end of the rope. So I'm anchored. So that's the whole setup. The next thing, you'll be seeing a man going down. Not literally, but let's hope he goes down safe. Yeah. Carabiners are locked. The gates have been secured. You know the protocols.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go down. You're gonna check if the belay is ready.
Yes.
So you're gonna say on belay. Belay on. And I said on belay on. Then you're gonna say I'm ready. Then once you're ready to go, you can start going down. Anytime you want to stop, say belay lock, belay tight, I'll hold you off. And once you're down, you shout, you're safe, and you say off belay. And once I say belay off, and then we're done. We're good to go. Okay?
Sure.
And man is secured with the helmet too.